11 maintenance checks for holiday shutdown of your vapor degreaser. Presented by Reliance Specialty Products, the vapor degreasing experts. Vapor degreasers are known for providing consistent, reliable part cleaning. At the end of the year, many companies have an extended shutdown for the holidays. This is a perfect time to do routine maintenance, repairs, and upgrades to your vapor degreasing production equipment. In this blog post, we will discuss 11 maintenance checks for your end-of-year shutdown to ensure a productive new year.
Check 1. Inspect the control panel and electrical components.
Your control panel has a series of indicator lights and switches that will light under certain conditions. A. Check to ensure all lights are operational and that they light as they are supposed to, based on their assigned purpose. B. Next, check the Wattlow safety temperature controls to ensure the temperatures are properly set and the controls have accurate calibration. C. Review your thermocouples and the electrical connectors for rust, damage, or other conditions that might affect their operation. D. Check the low-level float indicator to ensure proper functioning.
Check 2. Inspect your electrical panel and other electrical components.
First, inspect electrical panels for cleanliness and orderliness. There should not be dirt, debris, oil, or other foreign material within the electrical box. Next, check wires for nicks, breaks, or signs of overheating. Check terminal connections and wires at the terminal connections. Then check the contactors for corrosion or signs of overheating that might indicate an issue.
Check 3. Conduct an external inspection of the vapor degreaser.
Walk around the vapor degreaser and observe the condition of the system. Check for signs of leaks, in particular on piping, ball valves, clean out access doors, filtration canisters, pump housings, spray reserve tank, water separator, and water separator lid gasket. Next, check for any damage to any component that might require repair or replacement.
Check 4. Inspect the condition of interior tanks.
Consider draining the tank for solvent conservation over the holiday, and to conduct an inspection of the interior tank integrity, noting any rust or other metal corrosion. Check the interior of the tank and the interior of your water separator for signs of flash rusting. This might be a sign that there is an acid issue with your solvent.
Check 5. Clean accumulated debris from both boil sump and immersion sump.
When the tank is empty, wiping the bottom of the tank interior to remove accumulated metal fines, chips, and other debris is ideal. Check door gaskets.
Check 6. Check, clean, and replace your heating elements.
Heating elements are fairly robust, but accumulated debris on the elements over time will cause them to operate inefficiently and ultimately shorten their life cycle. Note, many companies annually change out their heating elements as part of an annual periodic maintenance cycle. A. Clean all debris from the heating elements. B. Check the amp draw or conduct an OHM test on each element to ensure it is functioning properly. C. Check for damage to the heating element's surface, such as corrosion, cracks, or signs of bulging. These conditions often are precursors of element failure. D. Check all door gaskets and all heating element Teflon washers for damage. Replace any gasket or washer that shows signs of damage.
Check 7. Check the interior drip gutter.
Check your condensate trough, drip gutter, for the primary and sub-zero coils for debris that might block the flow out of the gutter.
Check 8. Inspect your refrigeration systems.
Clean your refrigeration system heat discharge coils, as they should be clean and free of oil and dust accumulations. Check the condenser to ensure that all components appear to be in good condition. Consider having a refrigeration technician visit to check the ability of the system to achieve the target temperature ranges when the vapor degreaser is in operation.
Check 9. Consider a training refresher.
Consider whether your operators require a refreshment of their training on proper operation of the vapor degreaser, operator safety, and good part cleaning practices.
Check 10. Inspect your lid system.
Check for the proper operation of your lid system. Opens and closes properly.
Check 11. Inspect filter canisters.
Change your filters and the filter canister gaskets to start the new year. Check your back pressure gauge for proper operation. Conclusion. The holidays are a great time to do yearly maintenance on your vapor degreaser. They say an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Taking the time at the end of the year to walk around the tank to check for leaks, clean and inspect the refrigeration systems, and clean the heaters would be the minimum to do. And doing these 11 maintenance checks and inspection steps of your vapor degreasing equipment will help reduce downtime and minimize quality issues for the year ahead. Our Reliance Vapor degreasing experts are here to help. Contact us at 640-8923 or visit our website at relspecs.com for a free technical discussion to support your solvent and vapor degreasing questions.